Hey, what's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and I wanted to make a quick video, and I have to apologize up front because I'm actually traveling right now. I'm in Pennsylvania, and so I'm in this hotel room, and the lighting is pretty terrible, so forgive me if you can't really see me, but I'm trying to do my best. And I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of show you guys some quick income proof from this system that I just joined about 24 hours ago. So I did release a video on my YouTube channel, and I talked about this system called MAP. It's called Master Affiliate Profits. And what MAP is actually a affiliate marketing ecosystem where not only will you get like some grade A affiliate marketing education in terms of list building, in terms of traffic generation, in terms of paid and free ads, everything you need to know if you want to be an affiliate online. You're going to get this information, and everything's kind of laid out for you, and you're being taught by seven-figure experts. The other great thing about MAP is it's a affiliate marketing commission ecosystem as well. And once you're plugged in here, you're going to have the ability to make all sorts of commissions, from low ticket to high ticket to recurring commission to second tier commission. And again, I did do a video about this. I actually had interviewed one of the individuals, Mark Whiteley, here in this video, and he had made $49,000 with this system. And I just, I took a look at it myself, and I had to jump in, right away. But, it's been 24 hours, and you can see that I've already generated $566.73 for myself. I just generated one sale, and that's incredible, guys. I mean, it's incredible. And I want to show you guys some actual stats because, some people are like, well, how much traffic did you get to get that sale? And I want to show you guys exactly how much traffic it took, because it really wasn't a lot of clicks. So if I go down here to the stats, you can see here from the stats summary that I only got 124 clicks. Actual visits were 117, and it converted at 1%. So this is basically saying to you guys, and this is my results obviously, but if you send 100 quality clicks to this website, that you can almost expect to get around a sale per 100 clicks. Obviously, I can't guarantee that. Maybe I got lucky, but I do know that this is typically a good average. If you have a great offer that's providing value that people can make money with, and you send some good targeted traffic, you can typically get a sale for every 100 to 200 clicks. So I wanted to show you guys this, and if you haven't watched this video, I would encourage you to go ahead and watch this video, because Mark Whiteley actually walks you through MAP in totality. He actually shows you that income proof, and we have some custom bonuses, like 10 of them, that are phenomenal. There's no other bonuses out there that you're going to get like the bonuses that I'm going to be offering to you guys that want to join MAP. You're going to be able to build your list. You're going to be able to make commissions on top of commissions, and you're going to be able to learn affiliate marketing from different facets. And so it's really important that you guys watch this video and, take action, because again, 24 hours, and I've already generated, $566, as you guys saw here on the screen. If I can go back to it, my internet's kind of slow here in the hotel, so you have to bear with me. So you can see here again, $566.73. And I've just gotten started. And don't worry, guys, we got you covered in the bonuses. We're going to teach you how to get traffic, free traffic, paid traffic, good quality traffic. We actually have a secret traffic network that we're going to introduce you to in those bonuses that you can't even get involved with without an invitation. So, guys, this is John from johnmcneil.com. Click the link below. I have that video in the description of this video. And then I'll also just link you to MAP. And on that actual page, you will see a webinar where you can actually watch the owners, John and Omar, talk about the system from soup to nuts if you want to watch that webinar. But my video on YouTube kind of goes through everything as well. And get started. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those questions in the comment section. Super excited about this system. I think this is something that you guys can utilize to generate some good Christmas money with before the end of the year and start 2025 very, very strong. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.